Number 50. 50. Let's count. How much is the value of 50? 5 tens and 0 ones make 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.